Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I would like to thank Miss Ridiana as my first supervisor and Miss Flaviana Yohanala as my second supervisor. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Azmi with a student ID number of 23 TKM 028. Here, I will present my research plan titled Magnesium Extraction from Veronical Slag with Variation in Temperature and Time using Sulfurate Hasil Selection. My research method was conducted at my Material and Extractive Metallurgy Laboratory, and a SRF testing was conducted at the Brain Chemical Research Center. The research period was March 19 to May 19, 2025. The material used were veronical slag, 3 moles of sulfuric acid, 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, and distilled water. The research variable were temperature variable of 50 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius. The time variable were 60, 19, and 120 minutes. The type of research was a laboratory experiment. The flow chart using in the study is a veronical slag sample that was crushed using a pulverized and then sieved at a mesh size of 208. The slag was the leaching used a 2 mole sodium hydroxide selection and 3 mole sulfuric acid selection. The leaching process was carried out at temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius, and for time of 60, 19, and 120 minutes. Afterward, the filtrate was filtered to separate the residue. The residue was washed with distilled water and then often dried at 105 degrees Celsius. The sample was then analyzed using SRF to calculate the percent magnesium recovery. The test result can be seen in the table, showing the highest recovery percentage of 93.036% at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and a time of 120 minutes. Meanwhile, the lowest recovery percentage was 21.48% at a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius and a time of 60 minutes. The result demonstrate that temperature and time influence that leaching process, with a higher temperature and longer time increasing the magnesium recovery percentage. In conclusion, this study concludes that the optimal temperature and time obtained in the study were 100 degrees Celsius and 120 minutes. Further, research is recommended to use a higher temperature and time to achieve a higher recovery percentage. Okay, that's the presentation of my research results. Please forgive any shortcoming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.